What's up, guys? We're in Hanoi now. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We are headed over to Lan Ha Bay. I reserved a cruise for us on Klook.com. It's called the Serenity Cruise to Lan Ha Bay. It ran us about $70 per person, $79. I can't remember exactly. So they asked us to meet them at a meeting point outside of the old quarter, which is about 5 minutes away. It wasn't a big deal. But they pick us up, and then now they're gonna drive all the way over to the harbor where we'll get on the boat. It's about a 2-hour ride from here, so we'll see how it is. It's a pretty big bus. We'll show you what the bus looks like, and then this is our journey throughout the day.
Trip to Lan Ha Bay starts with about 2 hours bus ride from Hanoi to ferry station. It's relatively comfortable and you will ride in with other tourists from Europe and nearby Asian countries. Each seat has a cup holder and charging outlets with USB and USB-C. Although our did not work. On the way, guide shares a little about history of Vietnam. About halfway to destination, there's a bathroom break at a stop with a restaurant shop and embroidery workshop.
See all the prices here, just pay attention, they're like super overpriced. There's like $8 for Toblerone,
Yeah.
$10 for other chocolates. No prices on the drinks, so I assume they're probably also way more expensive than if you buy it in the store. Even more expensive if you buy it in the restaurant.
Yeah, this place, all the buses stop here.
Yeah.
So it's obviously like a tourist trap. Like, not trap, but it's just like
Yeah,
they know that all the
overpriced,
tourists come here.
Price jagging for the tourists, so be
Yeah.
careful, pay attention to the prices.
Yeah, all right.
After about 30 minutes, bus continues to a ferry point where everyone boards ferry. After ferry arrives to the next port, another bus picks everyone up for about 15 minutes ride to the next station.
That's how you enter Kappa. And to be honest with you, as you can see that the infrastructure for tourism here is not anything like tourism. The boat station, the ferry station, and mostly for the local. And just want you to know how offbeat and track this trip is.
And finally, from there, smaller boat takes you to the actual cruise ship. There are many different boats in the bay. Some offer only few hours on the water, while others include overnight stay. Some boats are also designed in the style of ancient fishing boats.
Maybe finally we're gonna make it to the main boat. It's been a long way.
It's a long day. It's like a 3-hour trip to get out here. All right, we're almost there. There's like older style ships like that one too.
Yeah, I think some are like fishing boats, another it's the cruise ships.
No, they call those junks. They call them junks. Those are part of. You can get cruises on those also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
After arriving at the cruise ships, you are greeted by the host and escorted to your assigned table. This is followed by a short introduction speech and then lunch is served.
practice?
I do that
All right.
all the time.
So we
I
made-
press it. I'm like,
So we made it onto the boat. As you get onto the boat, there's some people there. There's the employees. They'll take your name, and then I guess they have assigned tables.
Yeah,
So
like
our-
a hostess, and we have group of 5, so we have table of 5. So I think you specifically, if it's like group of 2 or like 4, they kind of like set you up together.
yeah, so we're all on the same table, which is really nice.
Yeah.
And I think we're gonna eat lunch first. I think that's how it's gonna go, and then we're gonna get to go upstairs.
Yeah,
And
ship is really nice. It's pretty here. I feel like a nice luxurious restaurant.
Cool.
Lunch was pretty good. There was chicken, seafood, specific vegetarian corner because this cruise has a lot of Indian tourists. Also, it had a salad station. Water and welcome tea are provided, and you can also order other drinks like beer, cocktails or soda.
I got the buffet here. They have all kinds of stuff. There's all sorts of there's shrimp, there's fish, tofu, mixed vegetables, all kinds of stuff in there. I'm gonna try it out and see if it's Here's the tofu first. Tofu is just simple tofu, but it's good. I don't know. It's just like juicy.
Just delicious Vietnamese tofu.
So first,
And this is the fish,
you try also soy sauce.
fried fish.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's good.
You know how.
I mean, this is good. This is decent quality. It's not like phenomenal, but it's like pretty comparable to a buffet in Houston, a Chinese buffet.
Cruise itself is really chill. Once boat leaves main bay, there are fewer boats around. For a few hours, you are surrounded by limestone mountains covered with the greenery and calm blue water. This is protected natural area where a Kadba langur, endangered monkey species, can sometimes be seen in a natural habitat.
We're on a boat right now. It's actually pretty fun. Food is pretty good. It's really nice nature around us. Beautiful.
Lan Ha Bay.
Yeah, Lan Ha Bay. Beautiful limestone rocks and
More peaceful because the Halong Bay is the Halong Bay is supposed to be that's where everybody goes. It gets a lot more crowded with boats.
Yeah.
This one's more peaceful.
yeah,
quiet.
less developed, less tourist. Pretty cool cruise.
Next stop on a cruise is Kadba Island. To get there, cruise boat stops and smaller boat takes passengers to the island and drops everyone off there. After arriving on Kadba Island, small electric minibuses takes visitors from shore to the village. Viet Hai Village is a small remote village hidden inside Kadba National Park. It was founded more than 100 years ago by fishermen who stayed here after finding fresh water and safe land during the storm. Once you arrive, you can explore village by bike, walk around the quiet paths, or fly drone, or also relax in one of the small cafes. Area is surrounded by mountains, rice fields, and local houses. After exploring, you can ride your bike back to the shore, where a boat picks everyone up and takes you back to the cruise ship. After returning to the ship, you can relax inside, sit on one of the lounge chairs or go kayaking. This is why it helps to bring quick drying clothes, swimsuit or extra set of clothes with you. Before cruise ends, tea is served with light snacks, usually including fruits and simple pastries. After that, cruise comes to the end. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye!